Welcome back to part 4 of the video. We are out here just fishing, and you will get to hear me talk about it right now.
All right, we're out here. A bunch of fish are jumping right about in this area. I'm over there. Honestly, it's looking promising. Hopefully we get something on. See, fish just jumped right there. This place is looking promising, but I can't get my hopes up. But hopefully we catch something. It's sun setting, but we seen a lot of fish be jumping right here, so hopefully we get something here, and it'd be beautiful to. Oh, a fish just jumped right there. All right, we're gonna hopefully we catch something.
Now you guys just get to see me and Caden just enjoying our time and fishing, watching the beautiful sunset go down. It was so cool to watch the sunset, and it's just so beautiful that we got to capture this amazing moment on camera. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe.
All right, we're heading back this way. Still so beautiful over here.